this is a great date night, great event. Like if you're going to church, I mean, if you're just going shopping, like this is a good overall scent. I love this. And some of you all told me. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to go over my top 5 fragrances from my September tray that I wore for the month of September. So if you're interested in hearing what were some of my favorites, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis goes left, but just work with me, okay? And hi, family. If you are already subscribed, hey, family. Hey, I hope you are doing well, okay? We are all family. Brother, sister, aunties, uncles, cousins, niece, nephews, whatever you want to be a part of this family, then that's what you're going to be, okay? But we are going to get into some of my, so I picked 5. My top 5 fragrances that I wore for the month of September. And maybe some of these picks, because they were on my September tray, so we're going to put the eye in the sky if you want to know what was on my September tray. You can go ahead and view that video as well. But I'm going to give you all my top 5 that I wore for the month of September. And maybe you also wore some of these as well. But let's get into it. First up, this beauty right here. Bond number 9 Tribeca. Oh my gosh. Do you all have this? If you all don't have it, I would suggest, we already talked about wish list, honey. This is a good old coin. I think this kind of runs around the late 300s, maybe 4. It's in that range. So it's a good coin. So if you have a wish list, maybe get it, because I got this for Christmas. So put this on your Christmas wish list. But this is a beauty. I got my life with this. Date night, when I went out with friends. I mean, this met me at the door on some of the events that I went to the month of September. Some of the events I went to, it met me at the door before I even walked through the door. Okay, that's how loud it speaks. It is so good. Let me remind you of some of the notes. So top notes, we have cacao, hazelnut. Middle notes, we have jasmine sunbag. We have cedar. Base notes, caramel, ambroxan, and musk. This is a beauty. I would highly recommend this. This can even, some of your more, I would say even if you have like a caramel fragrance, like a Bath and Body Works, maybe a caramel fragrance that you want to layer, this is a good even layering. It's great on its own, but you can also layer this. It does give me some vibes of MFK Baccarat 540. However, I believe this, to me, it just kind of stands on its own. It doesn't give me dupe vibes, but you kind of get, maybe because of the ambroxan note in it, you kind of reminds you of it. But this is a beauty. Would highly recommend that you save your coins or put your coins, or honey, if you got just $400 to drop, let's just drop it on this, because this is beautiful. Also, another one on my list is Greenwich Village.
And then?
Also, another one on my list is New York Nights.
And then?
I have so many different fragrances, wish lists for Bond number 9.
And then?
then nothing else, because I'm done ordering, okay?
And then?
I really want to get more into it. But for me and my life and the way my life works, we're going to take our time, because we don't have to put out and stunt for anybody. We're going to save the coinage, and whenever I'm able to get those things, or maybe someone will provide it for me, you know, whatever works. But these are great, long lasting. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, to me, it gave me all day. I literally had to like get in the shower, wash off, and I was still smelling it in my hair the next day.
You can smell it. You can smell it.
Like, it is just a beauty. Highly recommend you get Tribeca. It's beautiful. And I know in New York, there is a town called Tribeca. I heard it's very much like this up modern type of flair. I've never been, so I'm just saying what I've heard. But if that is it, they truly put the greatest name to it, because this is a very modern type of girl, okay? And to me, it also gives you unisex. So men, it does lean to me towards the feminine side. So if you are a masculine type of man, that you like a masculine smell, well, that's not going to be your jam for unisex. But if you do not mind kind of dipping in, kind of testing it, get your nose on this. I would not blind buy this. I would not ever tell you to blind buy something that is a coinage coin, okay? So get your nose on it. Saks Fifth Avenue has, the whole collection. So get your nose on it, and you decide whether this will be in your collection. But this is a good one. By number 9, Tribeca. Moving on. Another one that's not going to be $300-$400, but is a really good one, is Olympia. This is the intense version. This is from Paco Rabanne. This is so good. Honey, this is so good. I almost think I'm going to recycle this for my October tray. It is so appropriate for like fall, beginning of fall, going into the winter. This is a great date night, great event. Like if you're going to church, I mean, if you're just going shopping, like this is a good overall scent. I love this. And some of you all told me in the comment section that you love this too. So this is definitely a top 5 winner. Let me give you some of the notes. We have amber, white amber, vanilla absolute in the middle, salt, orange blossom, ambergris, grapefruit blossom, white pepper, and cedar. This is a beauty. I would highly recommend. You might be able to still find it on like a Fragrance X or a Fragrance Net, or maybe even Lucky Scent. This is, I think, from my memory, I think it was running me around 60, maybe 65, something around there, dollars. So it's not like, it's a coin, but it's not going to like break your bank, but it is a little bit, more on that side, but highly recommend, totally recommend this. Like, to me, vanilla lovers, if you don't have this, this is a must-have in your collection. If you are a vanilla lover, you have to have this. This speaks volumes. People are going to smell you. Like anybody around you, they're going to be like, girl, what are you wearing? This is, girl, beautiful. Like, highly recommend. Get your life on this. Moving on. Next up, I could not put this down for whatever reason. I could not put this down. This was Tropical Boost Zara. Do you all know this? Have you all smelt this? I think I wanted to like really, really get this in because the summer is, coming to a close. Well, it's closed. We're in fall. And so I just really, really wanted to get my life with this. But let me tell you, this is not going to be for everyone. I love it. It's very tropical. It has pineapple in it. So let me go over some of the notes. It has pineapple, pink grapefruit, mandarin orange, middle notes, jasmine rose, almond milk, base note, brown sugar, woodsy note. Now that you all know why I'm saying vanilla milk. You know why I'm looking like that, because of the vanilla milk. We discussed this before, and maybe it's that, okay? So maybe it's the vanilla milk that has me like, because it does give me a creamy tropical feel, right? But that creamy and the tropical, to me, it's not going to be everybody's jam. It was my jam. To me, this was like fresh out of the shower, something light, very much easy breezy errands that I had to do, whether it was grocery shopping, whether it was picking up my child from school, or, you know, just very easy breezy things. Going to like parent teacher conference, which I just went to, which my child did really good. Very proud of her. Very proud mom. But that milky in it, I don't want to say pea scent, but it gives this strange after smell.
P.U. What's that smell? P.U. What's that smell?
I'm not going to lie to you. It gives this strange after smell. So is this like a blind buy out of the park? Like, guess, I think it's blind buy worthy just because of the pricing of it. Okay, so the pricing of it is going to run you around $20 some odd, right? So it's affordable. Would I blind buy it? I don't think you can get a tester. Maybe you can get a smaller sample on Zara. That's like maybe $10. Maybe they have a travel size. I don't know this for a fact. But maybe you want to test it before purchasing a full bottle. Again, I love it. I really enjoy it. But it does, if I'm like a person and I try to, you know, to look on the other side. You know, is this like would this be pleasant to everyone? Maybe it won't be everybody's jam. It might not be everyone's jam, which is fine. It has like a very soapy smell in it too, tropical milk. Like, I love it though. That pineapple is just a statement for me. I love it. I love to pair it with like my pineapple body washes that I had. Like, it did it for me. So, was it long lasting? To me, I work again from home. So it was lasting to me because I wasn't out and about on a daily. But when I did go out, I would say it gave me like 4 hours. So it wasn't long lasting out. But in the house, when I wore it, yes, it was lasting to me. So those are just my thoughts. I know you like, sis, you all over the place. Those are just my thoughts. Like, outside, it's probably not going to last. Inside, it did last. Okay. Moving on. Next up, this was like a layering pair. In my layering video, sis, family, it's coming up. So I'm preparing your layering videos. I'm getting it together. I'm going in the lab and we're going to have some concoctions, okay, for you. It's coming. You're going to see this again. So I'm just going to put it out there. Okay. This is Sol Chirosa 62. This is the perfume one. Because they do have a body spray. Okay. So you might have the 62 body spray. I don't have that because I have this. So, some of the notes on here, we have some pistachio, almond, middle, heliotrope, jasmine, base note, caramel, vanilla, salt, and sandalwood. Honey, this is a layering bomb. Anything that has like a smooth or a warm feel to it, that's a perfume, another perfume, this is your base. Honey, this gives me it's so good. I like, if you have the Boom Boom cream from Sol Janeiro, this is exactly what this is, right? It's just perfume style. So if you layer your body cream with that, put this on top, that's what this is. This is the Boom Boom cream, period. But it layers so good with so many different fragrances. So I'm going to tell you all some of my thoughts with the layering, but I did a lot of layering with this. This is very good. I promise you, you want to get it. If it's still there, I got this at Sephora. I got this a little while ago, or maybe last year or 2 years ago, something like that. But it is worth it. I would get this one comparison to the body spray. The body spray to me, it's just for a season. Like, it gives you 2 hours, if that. Like, it's just not gonna last. But this, with whatever oil percentage, it lasts longer. And it is a good partner. It's a good partnership with a lot of different fragrances. So highly recommend, very much on my top 5. All right. And last but certainly not least, I was so excited to get her. Now I will say, so I got to wear her maybe 3 times in the month of September. Okay, this is Tiffany & Co. Rose Gold. And you all know I've been waiting to purchase this. I just fell in love with this. I love it. My vanilla lovers, this is a beauty for you. But let me tell you, so I got this in the month of September, right? Picked this up. But why everything else want to release in the month of September? So we got the Burberry Her Elixir. We have so many different fragrances that release. All Prada had one. Like, so many different releases that happened in the month of September that, like, honestly, I just, like, pushed everything aside because I'm just, like, trying to smell it, test it, give it to you all, try to see my thoughts. And so I only got to wear her 3 times, but I think I might recycle her for October because I really want to wear her more. I don't think I gave her a lot of justice, but the 3 times that I did wear her, I'm just in love. I'm just in love with her. I'm just in love with her. That's all I gotta say. Top notes, we have black currant, middle, blue rose, iris, musk, and ambrette. Now, to me, this is definitely work appropriate, and work, like, if you are in close counters with people and you just don't want to overpower. You know, you want to smell good, you want to smell fresh, you want to just, you know, smell like luxury luxe. You, like, you know, smell like you just got, you know, you got that money on the money. This is what this is, but this is like, it does not, like, overpower you where you can't speak or you can't talk, like your fragrance is talking for you. It's not one of those, but it's a great scent. If you're around people, they will compliment you. I definitely got compliments. Like, if you spray on your clothes, it's going to last longer. It is a beauty. And so I highly recommend, please get your nose on it, because that iris, though, if some of you all don't like a floral scent, it might turn you off a little bit. But if you don't mind a little bit of floral, you know, just a dash, or, well, not even a dash, a good old black currant. It's something about black currant. Like, it has me at chokehold. Whenever I see black currant, I'm like, what I got to do to get it? Where's she at? But this is good. Highly recommend. Please get your nose on this. So that's all, family. That is all for my top 5 September Trey fragrances. Hey, what were you wearing in the month of September, honey sis? What were you smelling like? Let your sis know. I would love to just learn about new fragrances, things that I do not have. I would love to get my nose on things that you recommend. You know, let me know. This is a conversation. This is a family. You know, we support each other. Okay? So I would love to know some of your thoughts. You know, do you have some of these fragrances? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how, you know, it sat on you, because fragrances are subjective. It could smell one way on you and smell another way on me. So, but I would love to know your thoughts, okay? Let me know. Please subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. And hey, you all be good to yourself. Give yourself grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo sis just did. All right, family. I love you. Until next time. Bye, family.